Hello viewers, welcome to the complete course of jQuery. Before starting talking on the course, I need to introduce myself for you all. My name is Abdull. I'm 23 years old, currently living in Australia. I have a bachelor degree in computer science as a software engineer and just 5 years of teaching experience. I have taught web designing on many different institutes to different students. That most of them, they are just working online and they are just web designer. And after just teaching from home, teaching on different institute, now I have decided to come and teach online. And this course is about the complete course of jQuery by Abdull. So I want to just create this course, and this is the first video that we are going to just record about this course. And I have created a simple presentation about this course, about jQuery, what's jQuery, and what we have inside this course. It means course outline. So this is just the presentation. Welcome to jQuery. Do more, write less. So at first, what is jQuery? Simply, I am just telling you all that jQuery is the library of JavaScript. So, or we can say it is the update version of JavaScript. If you are just performing a task inside JavaScript, I am giving an example. If you are performing a task inside JavaScript in 10 line or 20 line of code, so you can do that task, you can perform that task inside jQuery inside 2 line of code. So jQuery is the library of JavaScript. It makes easy how you can code. You can perform a lot of just a big project. You can just simply you can read here, do more, write less. It means do more just by less coding. So in next step, we have course outline. What you will learn here inside this course. At first, the first one is introduction to jQuery. So we are just doing right now in this class. I have introduced myself for you all, and I said what's jQuery. jQuery is the library of JavaScript, I told. And in next class we will come back, we will discuss about downloading and implementing jQuery, how we can download and implement jQuery. So after that we have jQuery events. We will learn about it, about this jQuery effect, jQuery selector, jQuery chaining method, CSS implementation, callback function, image slider, how we can just create image slider, working with Ajax, traversing jQuery UI, jQuery plugins. So we will just discuss all of this, and I have just created this presentation, just a short presentation, and we will just complete this jQuery course from basic to advanced. So it was about jQuery. So in next class we will come back, we will discuss about downloading and implementing jQuery. So till next class, have a nice time and see you.